behind me parked. I don't know what's going on here in town, but sorry for the sound of the truck in the background. But anyways, I'm in Karthaus, Clearfield County. This is Karthaus Furnace. Near here, which is around the bend on 879, stood the iron furnace erected 1817 by Peter Karthaus, rebuilt in 1836 by Peter Rittner and John Say. It became in 1839 one of the earliest to use coke in the place of charcoal, abandoned at the end of the same year, unfortunately, due to the location, I believe. But I will have a link in the description for my little short video, or I might just combine these two. So, yeah. Karthaus Iron Furnace. It's Thursday, November 14th, 2024. I'm in Karthaus in Clearfield County, right near where the Susquehanna River, west branch of the Susquehanna River is, which is that way. But I wanted to stop while I was up here looking for RJ Corman and get a updated look on the Karthaus Iron Furnace. I don't know too much about it off the top of my head. I will have to find some links in the description for you and post the photos I took from like 6 years ago or so. But this is the iron furnace that was ahead of its time. The location was overall an iffy spot because at the time this was built, this was still no man's land, pretty much unsettled for the most part compared to what it is, of course, in like the early 1900s. But iron furnace, I believe this is the farthest north that I know of a iron furnace. There's one in Ferensville, pig iron furnace in Vittendale in Cambria County area. Of course, Eagle Iron Works. There's a remains of Martha Furnace, but this is the Karthaus Furnace. It's got a really big crack down the side. I'll have to post on the video photos I have from years ago. Sad sight. They tried saving it at least once, but didn't work, obviously. There's trees growing up on the top. That's PA 879, and if you this time of year you can really see it, but you'll see trees growing up the top and not the sides, of course, right there. Sad sight.